I'm working as a courier driver in USA. I have designated route, which is every Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday. It's hundreds of kilometers. Can I do Qasr for my Salah every time I'm away from home?
We cannot just say to you do Qasr or not, because you're in USA, he says. So I don't know what is the 100 kilometers there. You could be 100 kilometers from one side of New York to the other side, and still you're not a traveler, because you're still in New York. So I don't know, you have to ask the people who are there. Okay, so it's nothing to do with how long is the distance. Are you outside the borough of yours? That's number one. Number two, are you considering yourself a traveler? Do you understand that? Because traveling is a very, very controversial issue. If you are a person who's going when you go, you to prepare yourself for this journey, you look at the petrol gauge and all of this. But I could be traveling from here, going to I would say Scotland, and not a traveler. How? And Scotland is from me here as a traveling journey. But I could be, for example, I want to hunt, and I'm following a bird. He's going 1 mile, and then going 1 mile. I kept going, following, and I was not even intending. And then I ended up in Scotland. I'm not a traveler, because I was after the what? The bird. But if from the beginning I wanted to go to Scotland, I would have been a traveler. Now,
is it permissible for...
But most likely, the 100 kilometers is traveling, but I'm just saying, I cannot really give a general verdict. Refer to the people there.